After the launch of Red Magic 9 Pro, the company has announced a special limited version of the device. Yeah, the Red Magic 9 Pro White Special Edition, and they've named it Cloud Dragon. How awesome is that? This special edition is to celebrate the Chinese New Year, and you can pre-order it now. It's set to be released on January 29th, and it costs $812. So this phone is not just any regular phone, it's got a special white color with a dragon pattern, making it look super cool. Inside the box, you'll find a magnetic Esports protective case, an 80-watt charger, and a Lucky Cloud card pin. Exciting, right? Under the hood, this phone is a powerhouse. It's got a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a huge 16 gigabytes of RAM, and a hopping 512 gigabytes of storage. And guess what? It comes with a massive 6,500 mAh battery. Plus, it charges super fast with 80-watt wired charging. Let's talk about the screen. It's a big 6.8-inch display with all the cool stuff. 120 Hz refresh rate, super fast touch response, vibrant colors, and even protection with Gorilla Glass 5. It's perfect for gaming and watching videos. Oh, and the Red Magic 9 Pro has this cool chip they made themselves, the Red Core R2 Pro. It helps with gaming and has touch-sensitive shoulder buttons. Gaming just got a whole lot better. Now for the cameras, it's got a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. In the front, it comes with a 16-megapixel camera hidden under the display. But wait, there's more. It's got an in-display fingerprint sensor, a headphone jack, awesome speakers, and 3 microphones. The phone is not too big, not too heavy, and it's packed with all the latest tech. So that's the Red Magic 9 Pro White Special Edition, the Cloud Dragon. It's not just a phone, it's a whole gaming and entertainment package. If you're into cool tech and want a phone that stands out, this one's for you. That's it for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Bytes for more tech updates like this. I'll see you in the next one.